Today, I'm going to do experiment on galvanic cell. Let's get right into the materials and method. Okay, the measuring cup with the water, but this measuring cup is 100, so I cannot measure it directly. So I need this syrup cup for me to measure it and put it into my so-called beaker. So cute, right? Sodium bicarbonate, aluminum foil, graphite or carbon, spoon, crocodile clip and wire, multimeter. First step, what we're going to do is we need to put in the water inside the syrup cup and fill it until 50 milliliter. Okay, let's do this. Another 20. So done with 50 milliliter. Put the syrup cup aside and put the measuring cup aside. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a half of teaspoon of the sodium bicarbonate, since it's asking for 0.5 gram and I don't have a weighing scale that is so accurate that it can measure 0.5 gram. So it's a half teaspoon. Okay, put into it, put inside. Close it up, put it inside, and then we'll use the teaspoon to stir it up. Then we're going to set up our multimeter. Okay, so for this multimeter, I'm going to set the range. Okay, I'm going to set the range within 10 volt. I'm gonna put the black color of the crocodile clip on the negative, on the terminal negative, while the red color crocodile clip on the terminal positive. Okay, so now how do we determine whether the aluminum or the carbon or the graphite is on anode or cathode, is on terminal positive or in terminal negative? So the way for us to determine it is we see which one of both of them is going to undergo oxidation. So obviously it's going aluminum will be the one that undergoes oxidation. So what we will do, we will put aluminum foil on the terminal negative, while graphite we're going to put it on the terminal positive. Why? Okay, so why do we put it this way? Because terminal negative is anode will undergo oxidation. Okay, so meaning that aluminum will undergo oxidation, whereby the electrons will flow from the terminal negative to the terminal positive, which means anode is aluminum and then cathode is graphite. Okay, so now we're going to put it into the water. Let me stir it a little bit again. Okay, I put it inside it already. Let us wait for 1 minute. To record the observation. That is all for today. Thanks for watching.